Hello, I'm showing how to install a climate control cover. So basically you're installing the dial handle. And if you notice, there is a notch on it right here, and then your switch right there will have to mate up with that. Something else I also noticed was there's a white dot. So let's kind of give you an idea where it should be. So just dead center there. If you notice, the other one, the white dot's up too. So that must have been something they'd done on the assembly line to let them know which way it should go up. Then you do have this part here, but that's the last part. Next, you have a kind of a screw. It's two-sided, and the side you want out is the side with the notch in it. That notch, you can use a lot of stuff, I guess. I used a screwdriver, and it's going to be difficult to watch through the camera and do this one-handed. But basically, if I can get this right, you screw it in, and probably not going to be able to get it in with one hand, because of what I did last time on this side was I could put my hand behind the switch, push it up snug, and then screwed it in, and it was done in a second. So once you do that, you'll outline that up, snap it in, you're good to go. Same thing on that side. It's a three-piece setup as well. So you got one, and then the two, and the three, the switch itself. So anyways, I think that'll be helpful for most. Let me try it one more time, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it unless I have it exactly flat. And the other thing is, I don't want to strip out the head, and that would be bad. But once you get it going, you're done. And it looks like this screwdriver might be a little magnetized, which is causing problems too. So anyway, that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. And once you get it on, you're good to go. Thanks.